Introducing the monitor arms for the Fellows Lotus and Lotus DX sit-stand workstations. We're going to show you how to install the Lotus monitor arm kits onto your Lotus or Lotus DX sit-stand so you can raise your monitors and free up workspace. Your monitor arm kit comes with a pole, monitor arm assembly and a hardware packet. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by removing all equipment and accessories from your Lotus and then raise your workstation to the highest setting. Pop off the circular cover. Slide the lock washer followed by the flat washer onto the M10 by 25mm bolt. Set the pole into the platform opening. From the underside of the platform, tightly screw in the M10 by 25mm bolt using the 8mm Allen key provided. Then lower your Lotus to the lowest setting. Slide the collar onto the pole. This is what sets the height of the monitors. Make sure the larger side of the collar is facing up and the screw is in the back. Tighten the collar. Now slide the monitor arm assembly onto the pole and tighten the knob. Add the cover to the top of the pole and secure it with the M5 by 10mm bolt using the 3mm Allen key provided. Then attach your monitors and set up all of your accessories. Your Lotus or Lotus DX are equipped with a patent-pending smooth lift technology, so you can go from sitting to standing effortlessly. Simply turn the knob clockwise to offset the heavier weight. Now repositioning your Lotus will feel lightweight and easy. Stand up for a healthier way of working with a Fellows Lotus sit-stand workstation.